Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate a shipping instructions for client format 1 report in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how our dashboard looks. Now, go to the customer service module. Under the customer service module, click the all shipments menu. On this all shipment page, select the date range and give the required details and click the submit button. Now a list of shipments will be displayed on the screen. Here, select the required shipment and click the edit button. On this shipment page, select the report at the top of the screen. Now a list of reports will be displayed on the screen. Here, select the required report, shipping instructions for client format 1. Now click the report. Here, shipping instructions for client format 1 will be displayed on the screen. Here, we can print the report using the print option and also send this report as a mail using the email option. This is how to generate a shipping instructions for client format 1 report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.